Hello everybody, this is Ed back with another video, and today we're checking out a suction cup mount for your action cameras and cell phones from A2C. They sent me this mount to check out. Really nice size suction cup here, 3.3 inches. Got the lever here, place it on. Got nice resistance here, which means there's a lot of movement here. Also, this is metal. I like the way the screw's made. You're able to give it a lot of torque to tighten the position you want. Again, it's a ball down here, and you're able to put a ball on this side. This right here is for your cell phone, spring loaded. For your action camera, you also have a 1/4 inch screw. For your phone holder and any other accessories that you may have, that takes a 1/4 inch. So you have that option. So I have an action camera here. There's this one screw, controls both balls, which I like a lot. And there you go, really nice and tight. Really like that. Really like that you're able to put a lot of torque because it's only got 2 wings on it. Here's the cell phone. Really nice hold. Really strong. Really strong hold on this cell phone. And then you're also able to place it like this to give it the angle you're looking for, which is a really nice that you're able to, there's 2 different places where you can place the screw. Very customizable. Last thing, you got your instructions on how to use, assemble guide, and installation. And you have a warranty card. So I am in my vehicle, and we're going to place this on my windshield. All right, nice strong hold. I really like the fact that it took a little effort to put this down. That means you really got good suction. So as you can see, here is my phone. I really like this clamp here. It really gets a good hold of my cell phone. Really like this setup here. If I needed to use my phone or to run GPS or something like that, really good. Nice suction here, really nice suction. And as you can see, you can turn this around. All it takes is just unscrewing this and then turning your phone around. Okay, here is the mount on my windshield with my action camera. As you can see, nice hold, not moving. Really like the torque that you can get with these 2 screws here, and it's not going anywhere. You saw this inside of my car. You saw it on the outside of the car. Really, really nice suction cup holder. I'm very confident putting this on the outside of my car with my camera. Really like the screw here to provide a nice amount of torque to hold things in place. So if you're looking for a very strong suction cup mount, check this one out. Really nice.